Today we'll debunk the most common myths and traps that lead to money loss, from chasing hype to panic. What mistakes do novice investors make? You need a lot of money to start investing. What is the truth? Answer C. DCA allows you to build wealth even with $10 to $20 per week. Which trap causes beginners to buy assets just because everyone is talking about them? Correct answer, B. FOMO buying often happens near market tops. The stock market always goes up quickly. What's the reality? Correct answer, A. Long-term upward trend exists, but short-term volatility is normal. What mistake do beginners make when they panic sell after a small drop? Correct answer, B. The market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. High returns always mean a good investment. What is the trap here? Correct answer, A. High return usually equals high risk, not free money. Beginners often check their portfolio too often. What is the result?
Correct answer, C.
Frequent checking increases emotional reactions, not returns. Cheap stocks, low price per share, are a bargain. What is the truth? Correct answer, A. A $5 stock can be far riskier than a $500 stock. What beginner mistake leads to putting all money into one trending asset? Correct answer, B. Lack of diversification is one of the fastest ways to lose money. I can time the market perfectly. What does research show? Correct answer, B. Missing just the best 10 days per decade drastically lowers returns. What is the mistake of thinking I'll invest later when the market is lower?
Answer A.
The best time to invest was yesterday. The next best time is today. Every investor makes mistakes, but the wise ones learn early and grow steadily. Stay curious, stay patient, and continue watching the next quizzes.